Hello. In the next few minutes I'm going to give you a quick overview of ATI's docQwatch. This is our universal toolkit for manipulating host data. We use it when we need to feed data between disparate systems or if we need to manipulate data to be sent to a specific printer. There may be an off-the-shelf solution available that can do this, but usually they're cost prohibitive, so docQwatch is a better fit. docQwatch does things using a series of built-in or custom designed bespoke workflow, which we call plugins. docQwatch is a product that can run as a desktop application or as a lights-out service. It runs multiple simultaneous workflows, which we call plugins. Each plugin is designed to perform a specific task and requires its own specific configuration. There are a number of built-in plugins that carry out basic tasks such as sending data to FTP servers, to a folder or to a printer, automatically printing and formatting Office documents or PDF files, or just getting host data from a system by emulating a printer. When a task is more complex, we may need to develop a custom or bespoke plugin. When required, we'll work with the customer to identify their specific needs and build and design a workflow in a dedicated plugin just for them. As these bespoke plugins are very task-focused, they can be developed very quickly. Some have been developed in just a few hours. I'm now going to go through a few case studies, examples of real-life use of docQwatch. The first example is a national government agency. They had a legacy system that creates data for a specific type of printer that had become obsolete. A docQwatch plugin was designed for them that abstracted their data and, using settings from an interface that was designed for them, allowed them to adapt the print so that they could be sent to any other printer. As a result of this work, docQwatch helped the reseller to supply new devices to the customer that can be readily supported and has kept a long-term relationship between the reseller and the customer. The solution that was put together in docQwatch is still in use today. The next case is a UK examination body. Having moved their print facility off-site, the customer required a solution to collect, package and securely deliver print data to their remote print site. Every stage in this process needs to be recorded into their own in-house bespoke database. A docQwatch plugin was designed for them to complete this task, and it's been in use at their site for many years as a core part of their printing process. The solution is still in use today. The next example is a power distribution company. They generate very complex multi-level PDF documents that needed to be printed on an A0 wide format printer. The onboard controller in the printer was taking a very long time to process these print files, so a highly optimized PDF plugin was created for them to speed up the printing of these PDF files using a hot folder. docQwatch has been deployed by this customer at multiple sites across the country and has greatly increased the throughput on the large wide format devices. The solution is still in use today. The next example is a UK district council. Having suffered a data breach due to printing of mixed duplex documents, the customer required a solution that could print PDF files in simplex and duplex without merging or combining documents. docQwatch was used to create multiple hot folder print paths where print settings could be pre-configured and all the data sent into the central print room with print-ready files that wouldn't be mixed up. The solution is still in use today. The next example is an Irish transport company. During a trial of some new MFDs, the scan to FTP feature was enabled. Unfortunately, the devices didn't support the secure protocol required by the customer's server, so they risked losing the deal. So they came to us and a docQwatch plugin was enhanced to support the SFTP protocol that they required, and as a result, multiple MFDs were purchased. The solution has been installed and is still in use today. The final example is an online web-based business that personalise and laser engrave items. The initial request came from a reseller to make a custom workflow to sort pages from large PDF files into a specific order and then subset staple it on the MFD. The functionality has now grown into a fully automated order sorting and distribution workflow that even drives the laser etching machines. This aided the sale of additional MFDs and has established a long-term relationship between the customer and the reseller. And again, the solution is still in use today. So this has been a very quick overview into the capabilities of docQwatch and what it's really good at. It's a good solution for solving complex problems and is backed by a team of engineers with collectively over 100 years experience in the printing industry. As the plugins are task focused, they can be created very quickly and therefore very cost effectively. Most of our docQwatch customers are long-term users, as the software forms a key part of their corporate workflow, which significantly increases customer retention from the reseller's point of view. Thank you.